Okay, so the last one I was going to do was a really quick Dalek. So it seems we've got 4 spheres around a reshaped cylinder. We've got our toilet plunger on as the arm with our little whisk as a ray, and then the sort of eye stalk with little things there. So if we do a really quick one of this, it could be cool. It's how many sides do you think this is? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So about 16-sided cylinder. Let's go for 8 minutes. Start new. So we're going to add a cylinder. We're going to have 16 sides to it because that seemed about right. We're going to grab this, scale that down, bring it up something like that, scale it about 1.5 times that way. I'm going to add another cylinder on top, scale this one. Where's that? That's up. A Hall sphere on top, so we're going to use UV sphere. It's actually not quite a sphere, like a slightly shrunk down. Delete those faces. I'm going to select this and make it a little bit taller, I think. Something like this, I think. And then we're going to add another one of these. We're going to select these and extrude. That about 8. This needs to. So get some spheres. Join. Let's mark it. Let's put that in there. This needs a this. It's a border smooth. X-ray. Let's go to the weirdness over here. And that's it. Oh well, that's my super quick little Dalek. Cheating. It's sort of the Dalek. Dalek, exterminate! Cool. We did quite a few different things today, so we did Alien, which came out terribly, Decode Scan, DeLorean, I think that was my favorite, Enterprise, MIBs, Noisy Cricket, a Stormtrooper helmet, and the Dalek. So if you didn't see it, my favorite was the DeLorean. Yeah, that was fun. Thanks for joining in. I really enjoyed the prompts. This one was fun, and we'll do another Blitzing next week, Tuesday, and then I'm going to be starting weekend gaming things on Sundays because that was the most voted for day. Thanks for joining in, and thanks to my patrons. I love you guys. Luke, you were here. I don't know if any of the others were today. I appreciate you. All right.
Exterminate! Exterminate!